There is no evidence that links paracetamol to autism. Never mind what Donald Trump says. Trump recently said that pregnant women should fight like hell to only take it in cases of extreme fever. But medical experts and autism campaigners pushed back immediately. The official HSE advice is that paracetamol is safe to take in pregnancy and while breastfeeding at recommended doses. Take the lowest dose of paracetamol that works for you for the shortest possible time, the official advice says. The HSE told the journal, there is no new evidence that would require changes to the current advice. No connection between paracetamol and autism has ever been established. The Irish Medical Organisation said the claims made by Trump and his Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. are demonstrably false, hugely irresponsible, and pose a real threat to public health. A recent large-scale study by Swedish and US researchers involving 186,000 people showed no link between paracetamol use by mothers and autistic traits in their children.